Is that clear? So, specialization makes sense. Multi-speciality is weakness. So, I went in and choosing the menu, and that menu comes to me. Today people tell in the hospital, hey, beta ye kaam karo, thyroid test thyroid karke bhej do, baki tu karo. Is that clear? To that extent I got a what you call as a salute. Yeah.
Why did you choose only thyroid?
I did a PhD MSc in thyroid. I want to listen to this story, very emotional. I came for an interview in 1982, and I was a maths, physics, chemistry student, and the vacancy was in a thyroid hospital. So they asked me, tell me where is thyroid. I didn't know where is thyroid, because it was biology which I left long back. Imagine in 1982, I don't know where thyroid is, and in 1992 I finished my PhD in thyroid, and in 2002 I do world's largest thyroid testing laboratory. I call this as try to do something different. If you have studied something and if you do the same thing, you will survive. And if you have studied something and if you do something else, you will become successful. Controls are a big issue, because every business is quality driven, and the scaling up means the fear comes, somebody will certainly collapse your brand. So, this controls becomes very, very challenging. Then comes efficiencies. The size reduces the efficiency. When you are 10 people, efficiency are high. When you become 100, it could be challenging. When it becomes 1000, and that too, if efficiencies, you have 20 officers in the country, and all human being would like to work least, and that efficiencies are lost in terms of scaling up. Logistics is the biggest challenge when you want to work in different parts of the country. Resources, training, synchronizing, and then finally size itself is a looks like so far you are lifting only a small species, suddenly an elephant is in front of you. How will you lift it? How do you handle competition? Right? You want to listen to that? I don't have a competition. A very arrogant statement. Yeah, I don't have a competition because all my peers are working in pathology. I work in biochemistry. All my peers work in diseases. I work on disorders. All of them work on sickness. I work on preventive care. All their patients are in hospitals and clinics. My patients are at home and office. All their patients are horizontal. My patient is vertical. Any competition? I don't see. Possible. So, what I am telling is, people are only seeing what others are seeing. There are only three kinds of people on this earth. One who can see what others can see. Second, one who cannot see what others can see. Third one who can see what others cannot see. And that third variety only is an entrepreneur. Every first variety is wanting to be an entrepreneur. They can only see what others can see. How to become an entrepreneur? Because they have already done it. You are only going to replicate it. You can't do it replication perfection. So, this is the problem, and if you see today, many guys are on the sudden what you call as value runway, too many guys. All of them have seen something which others fail to see, and there are enough on this earth to see, which none of us are seeing. That is the challenge. So, I have lost.